Hello students, today I discuss on a very new concept in capital market for trading aspect. It is very important, which is a new key given in apps of different broker houses. You may see it is eATM. What is eATM? eATM actually stands for Equity-ATM. Means when the investors, they will sell their shares through the app, then when he will place the order, if he eATM this key keeps open, then 75% of the sale value or sale proceeds of the particular script he will get within 5 minutes of his trade. For example, suppose rupees 1000 is the trade value. A share has been sold by the customer at rupees 1000, then 75% of rupees 1000, that is rupees 750, can be received by the customer within 5 minutes of his trade. Suppose if it is done at 10 o'clock, then at 10 hours past 5 minutes, he will get 750 rupees in his bank account. It will be credited immediately. And the balance 25% of rupees 1000, suppose rupees 250, will be credited in his bank account in T+1 day. That is in the normal course of activities, in the normal case when eATM option is not open. In that case, in the delivery mode, the proceeds of the share which has been sold by the customer will be credited in the bank account in T+1 day. But in case of eATM, 75% of the trade value or the sale proceeds will be credited to the bank account within 5 minutes of his trade. Then the question may arise, then what is the difference between the delivery and the eATM in this mode? The difference is within 5 minutes of his sale of his share, immediately 75% of his sale value he will get in his bank account credited. And therefore, in case of an emergency, in case of an urgent need, anyone can sell his shares and can get his money in his bank account, and he can meet his emergency needs as if he is going to the bank and he is withdrawing the money. This is the very fantastic opportunity which is given by few brokerage houses, and particularly I know the example is ICICI Direct. It has given this facility. And one thing you will have to keep in mind, this 25% of the sale proceeds he will get in T+1 day, but after deducting his normal brokerage and tax to be paid to the government. After deducting brokerage and taxes, he will get the balance 25% in T+1 day. But the disadvantage is that without paying any extra cost, one can get the benefit up to rupees 50,000 in case of ICICI Direct. And if the investors, they want to get more amount of benefit, make it at rupees 299, suppose he can get the benefit up to 2.5 lakhs per day. And without paying any extra charges or cost, one investor can get the benefit up to rupees 50,000. Today's video is up to this, and it is a very new concept that I want to inculcate among the investors. Thank you.